real pleased with that, as I was with the other two screws. Given the age, it usually can be a lot worse. Um, so yeah, so this is coming out pretty good. My video's lagging a little bit here and there, but yeah, that's coming out real easy. So sometimes they're rusted, and what I'll have to do is I'll have to uh, take a Dremel and smooth out where those screws come out at, and then drill them out again, and then tap them and make the threads, tap it and put new threads in there. So there's always a way to make it work. Just getting it to work safely and manageable. I'm still recording, and my video has stopped in this process. So I'm removing the ground here. It's, again, everything is pretty oxidized here. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this screw. Now there's no GFI protection in any parts of this building here, so I installed GFI protection pretty much all over. I did the bathrooms, the basement, unfinished areas. Um, in the basement, I did the washer, um, the kitchen, and bathrooms. So they've got quick releases here, and that's what I'm turning the receptacle over for. And you'll see me put a screwdriver in there. There we go. And I just push in. It's a quick release. I could there's just go out and hit test, and then the button should pop out. Then you hit reset. If none of those things, if you hit the test and nothing happens, just have an electrician replace it. If you're comfortable, make sure you got your power off. Let's see here. It stopped again, but I'll keep on talking. Okay, so yeah, I'm making up the ground now. I'll start, usually when I make them up, I'll do my ground first, then I'll do the neutral, because usually they're on the same side. And I'll go ground, neutral, then hot. And there is a line and load. The line is the power coming in, and you see that tape right there. That tape is the load side, and there's just uh, power coming in, so I won't be using those screws behind that tape there. And I'll leave that tape on there. And these are pretty short. You want to cut your wires to length. And on the back there is an indicator to tell you the length of the wire. You just hold it to it and strip it back. But you can see how close I am right there. It's not going to bend over and hit that ground, nor will it go over and hit the side of the box. Okay, we about got that neutral wrapped up. My video's pausing again. I'm hoping this turns out well. So where are we at? I'm getting the hot on there now. There we go. So like I said, that's the line side. There's no load. I've got some flowers and underneath my feet, so I'm kind of awkward here standing. I'm trying to get the video. This is my third video. The first couple videos I did were switches, and this one's a GFI. So here we go. We're getting there in there. Now you'll see, I'll do this slowly because I'm going to I got to line it up. But I was pleased the way the receptacle went in. Sometimes it's a challenge on the brick. You just got to get everything lined up the best you can. And then if you got any gaps, you want to definitely make sure you put silicone or some type of weather sealer, whether it's duct seal, which is it's like a clay, but yeah, I use silicone a lot. I use duct seal sometimes. Just depends on what it is. Yeah, so here comes the cover. And on this one, you get the screws started, and then it's got a little deal there where you just get them started and slide it over the behind the screw, line it up with the GFI, and then tighten it down. It's going to pull the cover and the receptacle back to the wall. Now on that receptacle, you got the two screws that you see there. You're going to see me get out a couple more screws to help. Yeah. All right. Let's get that cover on there.